I just arrived to the biggest hill in Phuket Island in Thailand. The place it's called Big Buddha because of the 45 meters tall Big Buddha statue, which is the biggest Buddha statue in Phuket. But also you have very cool panoramic views of the Phuket Island. Actually they are 360 degrees, so you can see every coast of the Phuket from this hill, so definitely worth to come and have a look. And now I'm gonna go to the top of see the Buddha statue. Currently it's 3:50 p.m. On Saturday afternoon, and the statue is over here, also not so many tourists seems like. Unfortunately the sun is facing directly the camera lens, so everything looks darkish, so I have to show you the Buddha from different perspective. Also you have a few stairs to go up, but they are very small and just few, maybe 50 stairs, maybe less, so it's really not so bad. Definitely easier than some other destinations where I visited already. Here we go, I managed to find the spot to show you the statue of the Buddha. The sun is actually just behind the head of the Buddha, looks like this one. There's also some constructions going on right now. There are some tourists of course around, but not so much. This is all because it's the very low season right now. Today's weather is actually beautiful. Usually it's raining right now, but here we go, you have a beautiful sun, as even is enjoyable to having a look. I lose my breath a little bit actually going here, but the place is very beautiful. Also, as I mentioned, the construction refurbishment is going on everywhere around, so you can expect a little bit inconvenience here regarding the best picture without the workers in the background. However, for me it doesn't matter actually. The Buddha looks like this one is actually pretty impressive statue for sure. People here who are worship, so it's very similar to the other destinations. Also, if you're gonna walk behind the Buddha, there is an overview of the Phuket, and you have like a nice place with the other golden statues here with the flags. Also, I think if you wanna visit this place, half hour is maximum what you need time for that. I just arrived to Kamala, and this is Kamala Beach itself. Very beautiful place. I read somewhere on internet there are a few very nice resorts over here, and the beach is actually very beautiful. And first things what I noticed, there are like a little pub, and there are so many restaurants everywhere around. So that's actually pretty cool. A lot of also coconut trees and stuff like this, but there is not so many people on the beach. This is maybe because it's the low season. Or maybe just Phuket is like this one. As you see, you can do the horse riding. There are even surfboards at the front, so you can surf over here. There are everywhere actually some restaurants, and here is the spa, massage. You can have a lunch. It's like a little pub. It's actually very cozy, little bit similar to Sanur in Bali. I also heard in Kamala is so many very nice resorts. Also so many private villas and the opportunities to invest in Phuket. But also this is one of the best beaches in Phuket itself. That's a pretty cool swing by the beach though. And honestly, I'm a little bit tired today after my yesterday's trip to Krabi. So today I'm gonna visit few spots what I would really like to visit, but it's not suitable to show only as the one video, so it's a little bit like a regular day in Phuket. Now I'm gonna go to a very popular place, which is one of the beach clubs called Cafe Del Mar. Of course, the same what we have in Bali and born in Ibiza and all of the stuff. But for everyone who like beach clubs, definitely is the position in Phuket what you shouldn't avoid. You shouldn't miss it. And also somebody last time said as there is no beach clubs in Phuket, actually they are. So this is the entrance to Cafe Del Mar. There's so many lounges, like a beach club, like everywhere elsewhere around. However, it seems like only lounges are available. I mean the sofa beds, so I don't know if they're gonna let me in. At least they let me to having a look around, so I can show you what's going on in these beach clubs. If you wanna have a bed like this, it's 5,000 baht. But well, if you're alone, it's totally pointless, and you're not gonna spend even half of it. Except you're gonna start drinking very badly. This is the lounges. The sunset is actually at the front, so yeah, That's how it looks like around. It's not that big like this one's in Bali. It's the size of regular beach clubs, like, so it's not like super huge or something like that, but you know, it's pretty cool anyways. And this is like a better view from the beach front, but facing the beach club inside. I was hoping to sit by the bar, but it's full house. It's Saturday, so it's pretty normal. Well, this is like a Cafe del Mar, very similar to any other beach clubs everywhere around the world, guys. So this is the beach front. So the beach club actually is not so big, as you can see. And seems like it's full house, so seems like actually the market for the beach clubs in Phuket is quite big, but not so many beach clubs are around. There are few other ones, but usually they are very small, nothing like in Bali, for instance, where it's like an over Ibiza in Asia right now. So, well, seems like good place for investment if you would like to build a beach club in Phuket. Also, they have a nice coffee and tiramisu. I really wanted to have it, but well, it's not possible. Also, I checked menu online, and prices are similar like in Cafe del Mar in Bali, or maybe slightly more expensive. And this is the place where I'm supposed to have my tiramisu and stuff. And this is the beach club itself. Loud music, pretty same stuff like anywhere elsewhere, right? Looks like this one. Seems like only the tourists are, yeah, the same. Everything is the same but different. This is very popular Asian thing, what people saying. Same but different. Also the lounge over there, what you can see at the front, is open at 9. Now it's sunset time around 6:30, so. This is the Cafe del Mar in Phuket. Also so many, but literally so many foreign workers, like international. I mean, like, look, European, American, whatever. Don't make me wrong, but this is something that is probably much easier to get a job in Phuket, in Thailand, rather than in Bali, Indonesia. That's pretty sure about that. Just stop somewhere on the road between Kamala and Patong. Actually, Patong is just behind me. There will be beautiful sunset over here. So also good idea to having a look. Behind me there are some hotels, obviously, so it's also probably a good spot to stay, maybe, perhaps. And the elephants in Phuket, in Thailand, are everywhere actually, so you can feed them on the middle of the street. I'm very curious about this one, as they are on the middle of the street, like literally you have a look. And they have no chains actually on the legs like in Bali in the parks. This is actually very interesting. Because, well, they have somebody who is taking care of them, but no chains, and they are really hungry for the fruits. They love fruits, right? Also, literally everyone, either the tourists or either the local people, coming and standing. This is like something what you don't see often in other countries, especially. I mean, in Indonesia you're not gonna see like that. Maybe in Sumatra, but I'm not sure. But it's so cool, actually, so beautiful. They look happy when they have the food. So loud music. So obviously different country, different experience. There is also some local street food overlooking the sunset. Yeah, actually the highest come and block me view. Okay, one more try. You can buy something like this one for only 10-20 bahts. This is definitely different. And also the prices will be different. This is like a satay, any nice food, a lot of nice food, but this is like a very on the middle of the street. But seems like it's quite a lot of people over here. That's interesting. Not mentioned, as if you're gonna buy something here and eat, like this satay, for instance, this is with the ocean and sunset view. And I just arrived to Patong again because it's Saturday night, so I wanna see how's the life going on, you know, like a Saturday night. But check this out, what's the beautiful color of the sky right now over here? Isn't that beautiful? That's really beautiful today over here. The color of the sky, like 20 minutes after the sunset. There are some people still paragliding or whatever it's called this. and also the beach seems more alive, like a more parties going on today. It's totally different today. There are some entertainment. Here we go. That looks pretty cool actually. And of course, with this view, like the sky like this one, unbelievable. And this is the Patong during the low season, overlooking the beautiful sky, dancers, beach activities. So many people seems very happy. And this is the Patong during the low season, overlooking the beautiful sky, dancers, beach activities. So many people seems very happy and enjoying their life. But the color of the sky today is just magnificent. So beautiful. And so cool to see this one like this. And you can actually tip and you can join in dancing together with them. Also today is supposed to be summer, the full moon party, but I have no idea where is it, and I will have opportunity to come back to Thailand to film it next time. Bangla Road looks actually pretty same like any other day when I was during the weekday. But this is what I'm hitting now. I'm hungry and I wanna eat kebab because we simply don't have a kebabs like this one in Bali. So I wanna try right here, right now. Looks so beautiful. Hello, beautiful kebab. I just gonna have chicken and beef. Here we go. I know I have a healthy lifestyle, but this kebab was so good. Now I'm gonna show you this area, which is opposite to Patong, to Bangla, because there are so many bars, also beach clubs and many interesting restaurants to show you around. And on the other side of the street is actually very nice looking restaurant. Yooo. Crazy drivers, but that's normal. People like to show off. Anyways, that's that's nice. There's also nice spa. And there's like a little street, actually not that little, with so many other businesses. I would like to show you maybe for a 1 minute or something. That's the local tuk-tuk. This one is like a restaurant with the seafood. Also look pretty decent. You can have a dinner. Patong in general is famous for any kind of tourism, not only these bad things what you are thinking, but also is family friendly. So yeah. You can find the seafood restaurants over here actually right now, but seems like it's definitely low season because only a little bit of the food over here and this is empty. This is how they are cooking. Seems also very, very clean. And clinic, just in case, you never know, especially being in the place like this, some massage parlors, McDonald's at the front. There is the Kudo. I heard this is very nice Italian restaurant and the beach club itself. Maybe if I'm gonna have a time, I'm gonna have a try. But overall, yes, indeed, seems a little bit quiet still in Phuket. It's middle of the very low season, so I imagine if I come again, let's say maybe in November or in December, it's supposed to be very busy.